Damn, don't tell me all your setups at once. Don't give me them all at once. What's up, Woody Wood? What's up, Bill? Let me get our screen share up and moving as well. There we go. Boom. Okay. We got screen share up and moving. Today is FOMC day too, everybody. Today is FOMC day. What's up, Brando? Brando's been killing it on the swing trades. If you haven't been watching Brando's swing trades inside the admin swing trading floor, you got to switch that up. This man's been killing it. Absolutely killing it every single day. Let's see. We don't have FOMC until 2 p.m. Eastern time, so we'll see what they give us in the meantime, and if we can get a nice trade pre-FOMC. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? I'd be here for it. I'm super down. Dun, 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 dun. What's up, everybody? What do you mean my YouTube isn't working? Go look at it. It's on. What's up, everybody? What's up, Carmi? What's up, Xavier? Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up? What's going on? All right. I got to restart the playlist. The same playlist that I listen to every single day. Skeller Night Drive 4. I got to get our poll going. Start a poll. Which way we headed for FOMC? Bullish, up, bearish, down. Let's see. Did you guys keep the promise I asked you yesterday? Did everyone keep the promise I asked of you yesterday? Do something positive for yourself? You better have Team Bull. There's only one. What Grizzly Glock? You listened? You went and got yourself some sushi. So what do you think for FOMC today, bro? You making any crazy bets?
No bets. I'm gonna probably trade it. We'll see.
We'll see if they just chop us until then or if we get any follow through prior. Sometimes you'll be surprised. Sometimes you'll get a nice move before FOMC. I usually like the 2 days after. I like the Thursday and Friday. I know none of y'all want to bet me on that Nebraska game. You don't want to see you can't get yourself ready to pay up when my Cornhuskers whoop the Wolverines on Saturday. It's coming, whether you like it or not. Yeah. It's coming, baby. It's coming, baby. Hey, good morning, everybody on TikTok, and good morning, everyone on YouTube. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you guys... Wait, Greg's in shorts. 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 Pre-market low, decently low, like 457. Hopefully you can get a move down, Mr. Greg. Start the day off right. Staying patient, y'all. Greg took those shorts up there. I personally am not in anything. It's only 7 minutes in. I'm waiting. I close this window. It's cold. It's getting a little chilly here. Getting a little chilly up in the mountains. Getting a little chilly. Woo! You said we shorting. Greg's shorting. I'm personally not in anything yet. As a reminder, if you guys are trading with prop firms, make sure you guys use code Jdun, code JDUN on Apex for 80% off, on Tradeify for 35% off, and on FFF for up to 40% off. You guys can always use code Jdun for the best possible discount. And as a reminder, too, each and every one of y'all should have signed up for my free 3-day masterclass coming on October 6th. It is going to be a game changer. It's going to be the most valuable 3-day course that you have ever even imagined of taking. So I'll go ahead and put the link here. What's up, Gene? What's up, Sleeping Beauty?
I'm not Sleeping Beauty.
Yes, huh? Mr. Gene in the house. Mr. Gene in the house, baby. Mr. Gene in the house. Sleeping Beauty just walked in, everybody. Mr. Gene. Mr. Gene. Greg's trimming his shorts, guys. Greg is trimming his shorts, everybody. Greg is trimming his shorts. Stop losses are break even for Greg. He's trimming his shorts. Nice job, bro. Good job. Woo. What you know, break it down. You got to break it down. What's up, dog? It's kind of cold in here. I left the window cracked overnight. I know. It's cold. A nice job, Greg. That was a really good call. That was a great call. Let's go. Show me the heart. Show me the flame.
For the beginning of the 4-hour pattern. That's the beginning of the top pattern. I was looking, we broke, the best, that's why I took it. So I'm expecting big, massive jump. See if they want to go now or they want to hold.
Yep. If you're new to trading, the best thing you can do is register for my 3-day class.
in this trade. Stop loss. Once we hit profit, guys. At least break even. At least. Don't let it go red. I see people complaining that I was paying now in red. I don't see that.
No green to red.
The trade is
We don't like green to red here at Team Bull.
don't fall.
We like red to green.
Get in, don't do it.
I gotta put my glasses on, guys. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Right now it's in the middle of this range. So critical point. If I want to reverse it, it's
Oh yeah. Let's clean them off. Big old giant 15-minute orb.
first entry point is 437.
Oh yeah. Now we are rocking and rolling, baby. Got the glasses on. Oh, it's a wrap. You got the glasses on. It is a wrap. The coffee's in hand. Hats on, glasses on. Oh, yeah. It's over. Greg caught a winning trade. As a reminder, too, guys, while we're waiting, if you guys would like access to the free 3-day masterclass, it's on October 6th. I'm teaching everything from my system to my strategy to how I manage risk to how I keep my psychology in the game every single day to discipline. DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on IG. You can mention that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to the free masterclass. Make sure y'all tap in. It's also the pinned comment on YouTube as well. What's up, Chris Hill? Heard you had a nice day yesterday. I heard you've been killing it, actually, as a matter of fact. Your boy Chris is in here. Where's the Einstein haircut, Chris? Yeah, where's it at, bro? Where's the Einstein fro? I can confirm he does answer DMs. I do. I mean, I don't answer them that second, but I will get around to your DM. I'll get you right. I will always get you right. You still in, Greg?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go. Our orb's in. Wherever. We do have our orb set up in. Let's see what we get. I'm likely risk off until FOMC. Already had Mr. Greg here. Call a banger. So I'm in no rush to rip anything. No rush, Gene? Chilling?
Why? I don't even show up at the same time today. I'm just on the rush. I'm on the rush in the morning.
Going down. Going down.
Attaboy, Greg. Yeah, Gene likes locking himself out till 10 a.m. every day. 10 a.m. Eastern time. Is it, you like the Nespresso, huh?
Yep. I think this one's coffee though, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, it is coffee. That makes coffee too.
You what?
That makes coffee too.
You like it?
Yes, sir. It's cold.
Oh. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15. Okay. Let's also keep From me. Let's keep this Tesla on watch as well. Ho, ho, ho. This is your reminder, Team Bulls, to choose discipline over dopamine today. Trade smart, trade safe. Like Joe Rogan once said, imagine there's a camera crew following you around everywhere. Whether you're trading, whether you're working out. Imagine you got a camera on you. There's no excuse to slack off, to break your rules, to break promises to yourself. You got to stay on the mission and stay focused every single day. That's what breeds winners. Yeah, Greg just stopped out everybody of his longs in profit. They're going to give us the reversal setup, Grizzly Glock. They might. They might. They just might. As a reminder, if y'all want to trade with me, if y'all want to trade FOMC with me, make sure to lock in your funded accounts on Apex. Use code Jdun for 80% off all accounts. Right now it's 80% off. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. And use code Jdun for payout protection, baby. Forever and always. I got your back. Yo, if you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. You can go to Jdun Trades on YouTube and come tap in. I'm live there every single day. Grizzly, I was literally about to say it's given vibes of the candle we were looking at yesterday before it reversed.
I don't like how we didn't break the pre-market low though. You're right too.
Don't. Okay, come on. We got FOMC and not too long. The candle looks good. Maybe a pullback down to like 4. We're right at whole site number 500 too. I was gonna say maybe like 480 or 490 area. You just have to have stops below 465, so you'd have like 25 points of risk. I like what you're seeing in longs too.
I like the long entry close to that candle, but I just can't justify big points or however many points it was. 40 points.
If you kept it below that candle wick, it was only like 30 or so. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. I got the Guru water today, the Mountain Valley. We're sipping glass bottle only. Mr. Gene. You're stupid. This man's funny. Go as you like that. Young old boy standing low. What do you like that? I think that the next 2 trading days after FOMC today are going to be super solid. That's always my favorite. You get some nice action with FOMC, but my favorite is when you get the volatility the 2 days after. Hopefully this can be the short-term top of the market. Wouldn't that be great? Get a nice pullback. I'm not sure that's going to be the case, but it sure would be nice. Sure would be nice. Sure would be nice. You just bought what a minute ago? What'd you buy? What's up? What's up, Josiah? What's up, Spectra? I appreciate all y'all being here on YouTube, guys. We're growing every single day. Slowly but surely, we're growing. Slowly but surely, we are rising to the top of the YouTube ranks. Appreciate you being here every day, Dirk. Every single day, this man's here. A lot of y'all. Yep, yeah. If you guys are on TikTok, a great place to be with full screen share is on YouTube. It's JDUN Trades. If you'd prefer to look at my whole screen on TradingView, you can go there. If you guys want to trade futures with me too for FOMC, make sure you'll tap and get your funded accounts. I don't use X a whole lot, but if I follow you, Rob, it's probably for a good reason. Probably for a good reason. That's it. Hat's going on forward. We're locking in, baby. We just had to flip the hat forward. We are locking in. This market's getting no mercy. And this ES orb's looking decent too on screen share. ES orb's looking good. What up? You're terrible, bro.
He's already deep in profit though.
I heard Gene laughing. I said, "What are you laughing?" He said Brandon was in longs. that candle is dumb. You're terrible. He was already in profit, so that's cool. Where do you take longs?
Where did he take long?
Yeah.
I think at like 70.
Damn.
70.
Brandon's been doing really well in his trading. Really.
Is anyone in a trade people?
Nope. What do you like?
Like loans, but I'm waiting. I'm not in yet. We'll see if we go back to where I'm looking. I don't like them right here. I like them lower.
Bro's missing the bus.
Yeah, I see the 4 green again.
What the heck? I don't love that last 5-minute candle, but I see what you're looking at with that that previous area. Good risk on it. I mean, you only have like 20 points or so of risk with yeah, it's not terrible. Love you, man. We'd love to meet you sometime when you back in Lincoln. Hey, go Huskers, baby. We're taking the dub this coming Saturday. If you're a Michigan fan, I am so sorry. Today is dedicated specifically to the Michigan fans. I want to make you guys as much money possible by Saturday, because on Saturday you are going to get absolutely mollywopped by my Nebraska Cornhuskers. I mean, absolutely destroyed. It's not even going to be close. So I'm going to do my absolute best to help y'all, because you're going to need it emotionally for this Saturday. You're going to need it. Did I see Bud Crawford beat Canelo? Of course I did. Let's go, Spencer. I was betting on Bud. Bud's the man, bro. Of course. You think I'd bet against the Nebraska native, the undisputed GOAT? Yeah, Gene, you like that? Oh, you think it was fixed? Now it's rigged. Now it's rigged. Now it's rigged. That middle line reject paid. Look at that. Look at that middle line reject. This looks like it wants to. Do I trade on the same platform? What do you mean? It depends. If I'm thinking about trading options, sometimes I'll just stick with my TOS. The commissions or the fees are just so high. Or I'll use my Edge Pro. It just depends. It really looks like we want new low a day. Just looking at new low a day. Wow. We just closed that, we just ended that previous 5-minute candle though, so the orb is a ways away from confirming for me. Because we haven't closed below in the 5-minute. We still have 4 more minutes on this, or 3 more minutes now on this next 5-minute candle. Where's London low at? Right here. Okay, so we're just.
Almost still making those.
Yep.
This one's still open.
Oh, well, the pre-market. I consider London low the pre-market low before New York opens. We're not quite there on interesting. On ES, we're still a ways away, but on NASDAQ, we just swept. That's interesting. Grizzly, do we dare try to long this if this candle closes strong right here?
Could be. Like sweet.
With higher volume? Do we dare try to long it if it closes strong?
I don't think it has to worry about this candle, I don't believe.
All right, so the reason I'm mentioning longs, I'm not in anything, but if we were to sweep both these levels and close this candle with an aggressive wick up with higher volume, that's something where I can look for a pullback down to these key levels long with stops below the low. So that's what I'm talking about. I don't just try to catch bottoms, right? But if I see some sort of confirmation that gives me decent risk reward in the trade, I'll try it. Got 30 more seconds till this 5-minute chart closes. Oh, my abs are low key kind of sore from that exercise, Gene. Low key. Not like super sore, but a little bit. They are a bit sore. What?
I don't think it's from the apricot.
Oh, yeah. Probably those squats.
No. Instead of bone.
Oh, all right. Do we attempt it? Let's see. What's the low here? 447. What'd you say, Grizzly?
Do we try some longs?
What's this? 447, 445.
I tried a small size
Yep.
longs. Thank you, small size. If we liquidity to sweep this. Close below 466 and I'll get out. Get close below.
446.
Guess I'm not liking the candle. Long wake up, down.
I tried a small piece of longs too, guys. Here, 68. With hard stops at 446.
We're going to be trading lots there Wednesday, trading for FOMC. Lot.
If we end up flushing down and continuing the downtrend, I'll stop at 446 for a loss. But this is the area I like because you only have about 20 points of risk. I like to see us we have swept 15-minute low, swept London low, pre-market low, higher wick up. So I'd like to see us get some sort of bounce up now to this 493 to like 485 area. If we don't get that, we just flush down. I'll stop out this position below 446 with hard stops.
Ideally, we push back up and retest that 84,500. If we break above that, I don't see why we shouldn't push up to that previous day. Open, close area.
Come on, give us a push above 80. Give us a push above 80. We're tempting. I don't like that we rejected that 80 right there, but we'll see. My setup's intact. If we go below that candle low, I stop out for a loss. Granted, small. I'm pretty risk off for FOMC. We go above like 80, hopefully closer to like 90. I'll get a more of a scalp trim. Correct if your life.
Straight 100-point candle.
100 point cut. Nuke to the upside. You ain't even know this. Way back from the north in Kishi, and you got 10 points out of that so far, but was not enough for me to take anything off. Not enough. Not enough. Not enough. Not enough. No pump it up song. Got to use that for special circumstances. Can't just whip it out whenever. See what Bookmap's saying. Not a ton. Need to restart my Bookmap, actually. Not really. I need to restart it. I said this candle needs to quit playing games. I don't like that we rejected that 80 right there. A little bit lower than the previous candle. I'd like to see a... I don't like that last 5-minute close for that candle at all. But we're going to keep our original plan. I'm just keeping my plan stop. If we go to 446, I'll stop below that 5-minute low. And ideally, we get move above 80. So I'm going to keep my original plan. I don't love that 5-minute candle, but we're at risk off, so I'm going to follow my plan. What? Da-na-na. Don't. 5-minute candle's not looking amazing, but it's also not horrific either. NQ. All right, Gene. When it comes to high, I'm going to use the restroom. My hard stop set at 446. If it goes and stops me out. Come say hi to everyone, Gene.
Hello, everybody. Come on, we need it to pump it up. What is going on?
What's the market doing?
Trying to make a move back up.
Come on.
Being slow.
Quit playing games, NQ. Move up. It's at break even right now, just above. If I'm going to even think about trimming, I need to move above 81. Otherwise, I'm taking my stop. I'm taking my shot to the jaw. My punch to the jaw. Not seeing much on Bookmap either. Tell you right now. You see Oracle's buying TikTok, Gene?
For real?
Like 80 an 80-20 deal
When did that come out?
yesterday.
That's why they knew.
I don't like how we're making lower highs on each of these 5-minute candles, but I believe that's correct. I think Oracle's taking the reins in the TikToky. That candle looks decent. All right, less volume than we like, but there's a little hope for now. See if we can get a pump above 80. There we go. So far, so good. Come on, give us a nice pump above 81. We're at 10 points if you want to manage. I personally am not taking anything off up here, but we're up at 10 points if you'd like to scalp for FOMC day. The risk reward's not quite 1-to-1, but I get it for FOMC day for some of y'all. Just saying. Don't yell at me if we go back and stop out. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. We got up to 80 and it's immediately fell off. I'm still keeping my planned stop at 46 though.
I got out of this trader when I don't like it anymore. Trying to set and cook coffee.
I'm gonna move my stop up to 52. Or actually not 50, excuse me, 57. Or 56. There we go. Not 57. So now it only has about 12 points of risk. I don't like how we rejected that. We were up 10, actually over 10 points. Excuse me, we were up 13 points. I did not trim anything though on the way up. I didn't trim anything on that move up. It's not looking great for the longs. We wanted to see that continuation over that 80, and it rejected almost immediately into that fair value gap. Idea was right, just didn't get any continuation up. Didn't get any continuation to the upside. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade at 56. I'm taking my stop a little early. Being safe. We get some sort of confirmation, can look to re-enter, but I did not trim anything on the way up to that 81. So we had like 13 points. Just personally wasn't enough risk reward for me. Wasn't enough risk for reward for me. If we see some sign of strength, I'm open to a re-entry, but we're gonna keep it nice and chill for FOMC. Keep it nice and chill. 10. Now watch us sweep that and rip up. Da-da-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum. Dum, da, dum, da, dum. See anything you like, Gene? What? Yeah, it's looking like it. It's looking like it wants to fail and move down. We'll see. Honestly, that's a setup I'd take 10 out of 10 times. And it got, a 13-point move, which ain't gonna retire you, but got the initial reaction I wanted. Just didn't get the move I quite wanted. Now we have the close below the 5-minute. I'm not going to personally take anything down here, though. I'm just going to chill. Said TJR is not trading today. Oh. TJR is cool, man. That's my boy. I bought that damn near whole kill tech drop just to support. Just to show some love. Just to show love, because that's what we do. We support our homies. People are more likely to support strangers than their homies, and that's messed up. There ain't nothing cool about that. There we go. We're about to blast off, Gene. One more test of slow, and then we'll see. Just go opposite of callouts as a fun account. Got it funded. I don't think that's true, my bro. Unless you cherry picked like 3 days or 2 days in the last month. I don't think that's it, bro. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, how am I ever going to survive? How am I ever going to survive? You know how much I'm down right now? Down a whopping 220. What am I ever going to do? How am I going to survive, guys? Down a whopping $200, $220. Am I cooked, chat? Am I cooked? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Oh my, hold on. Hello? For what? Okay. Is there anything else you guys need from me? That we never got the fence taken down. Is that a problem? Okay. So it won't look different when we have to put it back in though. It won't mess the fence up long term. Okay. Cool. Sounds good, man. All right. All right. Bye.
I was eating that flipping down here. Eat that.
Let's see. Book map is not showing a whole lot. Yo, make sure y'all tap in and enable your server tag for Bull. I don't know why they got taken off. If you're inside the Discord, make sure y'all tap and hit that Bull and get that Bull on your name, baby. Come on. I don't know why our server tag got disabled, but I know they all went away. I just enabled them again. I don't know why. It automatically did it in Discord. It was weird. Yes, Bull. Click on the Bull and press adopt tag, baby. We're going in full bull. My I was on the phone just a second ago. My pond guys are coming. My pond liner had to get fixed. For any of my homeowner friends, from what I heard, and correct me if I'm wrong, have you guys just had issues on issues with your ponds? I heard they're just an ongoing expense forever. Of the ongoing, like the waterfall ponds that have running water with the liners under them. They're like, oh, they sound great and they look great, like a pool, but like there's just constant issues. Maintenance is never ending. That's what they keep telling me. Oh. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm kind of starting to think more and more home ownership isn't quite the crazy investment they always said it was. When you look at maintenance and property taxes, and I mean, even like owning short term or not short term, but owning rental houses that aren't, you don't get at a really, really good value. It's almost tough to cash. It's really tough to cash flow in these days. Oh yeah, I've been stopped out on longs up at 56, up at pre-market low. So lost just under 12 points. Technically 11 points, but my call out was at 68, got filled at 67. Do we get a downtrend day for FOMC? Yeah, make sure all y'all get your bull tags on. You have to re-click it. If you click on bull, press adopt tag, and join the fam. Join the bull fam, baby. Join the bull fam. Like a bull, we charge. We go head on. No mercy. Colorado did get very overpriced, right? Payout protection on Apex just means that if you guys get to payout and there's any issues with it, I can reach out to upper management and expedite your ticket to have your back for you getting your payout. Now, if you don't follow the rules, I can't do anything about that. If you follow the rules and there's just a pending payout that you can't get answers on or you have questions, I can help you get those questions answered sooner than later. All you have to do is use code Jdun. If you want to trade FOMC with me today, you can get yourself a funded account right now through Apex for 80% off. I'll put the link in the YouTube chat. You don't like Apex? I think they're the most scalable firm. Live trailing is tough, but if you can get past that, they're great. They paid out. Actually, I think Top Steps paid out the most, but they paid out the second most. Should have used code Jdun and reached out to me, bro. I would have had your back. Now, unless you don't follow the rules, then I can't do anything. But if you follow the rules, you get paid. Follow the rules, you get paid.
Nice. You took this one, so just apply it. You get some days making money from this level. What you're showing is the middle of the massive jump candle. So
Let's see. I am going to head to the gym a bit earlier today. Gene, you want to come say hi to everyone? I got to go bring the dogs in because they're going to be in the backyard. All right, guys. Mr. Gene's getting on for a sec. I lost $220. I'm cooked. I'm going broke.
What are you ever gonna do?
You gonna trade?
Yeah. I'm in shorts. Come on. Let's see. There we go. Come on, break it down. What is Angular? Let me see Angular. Come on.
Perfect retest of the 30-minute range in the previous 5 minutes.
Yep. And that pre-market low ish, I think.
Yeah.
I took that.
What, Mr. Gene? You in the shorts?
Yep.
Are they paying?
Yep.
Yep. I retested pre-market. Low is it, huh?
Hold.
Yes. Hold. Hold, Mr. Gene, hold. New low a day. My part of town. Nice job, Mr. Gene. 500 on the day.
I'm locking myself out to 12:45.
The day that we die. Survival of the...
12:45 is good.
What?
Lock
Yeah. That's going to be, Jay Powell's going to be speaking at that time.
Literally perfect retest to the 30-minute range.
I know.
Perfect.
How did our ticket and the mentors didn't? Come on now.
I know. Gene, you killed it. That pre-market low retest was nice. Those money bags.
Money bags.
That was the Juan.
Pre-market,
That was Juan's favorite trade. By Juan, I mean Gene. That's your middle name?
area is where the 30-minute range low was.
I had a feeling you were gonna do that.
It's outside with the weight and the D rapper. I took one trade and broke even. I mean, technically slightly red, but there's a little, so we're break even. Low key like shorts still. From the higher time frames, and we broke below pre-market low. We made us chop after this move, but let's see here. Let me pull up. Get the prices right. Tonight. Range in the TRT. What? FLA. What the F is the deal? Let's see if we end up finding some footing down here. 9:10 on the day. I think I'm good, bro. You are good. As a reminder, too, if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. We trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. If you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader, you will find value in these lives. So make sure you tap in, hit that follow button, and join us every single morning. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. If you're on TikTok looking for full screen share, you can always go over to YouTube. We vibe. Yeah, come on, like the live, guys. Show some love, money team. Being in the live allows me to be more patient. That's what I hear a lot. I appreciate y'all. More than you know. I like shorts still. I'm looking this up. I like shorts. I don't see anything long I like. Not yet. That's all. Just shorts. And then we go low day. The only long setup I liked was long ago. It has since been cooked. It has since been good. Got to make sure each and every one of you guys get signed up for the 3-day webinar as well. The 3-day free masterclass. It's an absolute must, Team Bull. It's going to be a game changer. I'll put the link in chat too. Yep, save your seat right now. It takes like 15 seconds. Don't. We're talking.
How foggy it was this morning.
Foggy? I didn't.
Oh, yeah, you didn't leave.
Was it foggy?
Pretty foggy, my friend.
It was very foggy. No trip. Oh, is my TikTok screen off? Well, it's just not it's just not as high as it should be. There we go. Sounds like me back when I was 18, not as high as it should be. At least I thought so. I was a very bad boy.
Very, very bad.
The only thing that looks good right now is shorts. I have no interest whatsoever in any sort of longs. None. Not until we get some sort of break of structure to the upside. Killed it on those shorts, Mr. Gene.
Huh?
Said you killed it on those shorts.
Thank you, my friend. I'm talking to you.
That's all I see that I
Make sure you want to rip some calls for FOMC.
I could see it. I could see a nice V shape. Where the bottom comes in, that's the real question. But I mean, it's seen it happen before on FOMC days. Wouldn't be the first time or the second. Wouldn't be the first time. Tesla's flat.
It's playing beautiful.
You know what actually looks decent for upside short squeeze is open door.
Yes, the end of this scenario is 353. When you're gonna make that move. Just before
Bro said, bro, I got absolutely wiped today. I was expecting a reversal. That's why even if you're expecting a reversal or expecting price to go in any direction, you have to have planned stops. You can't just hold for hope. I will be on in the afternoon today as well. Yep. That'd be cool, Derek. Thought your last name was Koenigsegg for a second. Start to buy now, you think? Yep, I'm going to hit the gym and then hit the charts again. Hey, I see a lot of y'all signing up. I see a lot of y'all signing up for the free webinar. I'm telling you, I know your time's valuable. This costs $0.00, and it will be worth at least 5x whatever you value your hour at. That much I promise. I promise you, whatever you value your hour at, whether it's $20 or $200, you're going to get that value times 5. All you got to do is hit that link in the pinned comment on YouTube, get signed up for the free masterclass, and you're good to go. I appreciate y'all signing up. And if you'd like access to it and you can't click it for some reason on the YouTube or you have any more questions, you can also DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. If you go to your Instagram and type in Jdun Trades in the search bar, you'll find it. Yeah, open's ripping. I'd be careful trying to catch bottoms. Be careful trying to catch bottoms unless you see some sort of confirmation, guys. We're likely heading to 24,400.
I don't see anything else I'd like for a day trade.
You out of here, dog?
Yeah, I may come back for FOMC.
You may. What do you mean you may?
I told myself I wasn't going to trade it anymore.
Just come hang out with us.
Could be the biggest of the year.
Just come hang out with the boys.
Still around, Greg? Didn't even see it.
Looking this level. I'm about to leave. Please, no more stocks. Waiting for this one.
Bro says he's out of here. Make sure you typed in your email right. You can also re-register twice and double check it. Make sure you typed it in right, and you should get it. Again, it's still a few weeks away, so I'll keep reminding you. Got time. Whew. Almost touched 24,400. Yeah, don't fall for the fakes, guys. Don't fall for the fakes. That's wild. I got a construction equipment pulling up. That's crazy. They got the excavator pulling up for the pond in the back. Yeah, they had to get an excavator, bro, to move those rocks. A small one.
I'm gonna ask them if they can have a driveway.
It's fitting. You got your boots?
No.
Got your boots? Your boots? Don't. As a reminder, guys, if you haven't already and you're on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I will be live for FOMC as well. I will be live for FOMC. Right, Green Eyes? Really could have been. These rocks are big, though, bro. No volume on that candle. We'll see. We got FOMC. We're just selling off every single move up. That's crazy. That's wild, Green Eyes. Bro's out of pocket. Y'all are funny, man. All right, Team Bold mid-morning check-in. Did you all choose discipline over dopamine today? Did everyone follow their plan? Nice job, Stanley. Nice job, Tyler Ashes. Tyler, did you stay away from overtrading? That's what matters to me. 50-50 took some early momentum plays that went on system nice. Another lower high. Another lower high. We'll see. I'm going to get out of here and go to the gym here soon so I can be back in time for FOMC. So I can be back in time for FOMC. Whew. Oh. I think we're going to get some wild action later today. The rest of the week. I think we're going to get some super solid action. We should at least. What's up, dog? You out of here? Don't. Let's see from the higher time frames if we can sniff anything out. QQ. All right, bro. See ya.
Nice morning. See you at the work. You are
Don't. Hey, Greg killed it today. Grizzly left too. Then there was one. Hey, come on. I need each and every one of you guys in chat to click on that bull icon and press adopt. We're bull strong. We are a bull strong, baby. I haven't taken on many new real estate deals this year. Kind of been on the sidelines. Okay. As a reminder, too, if y'all want to trade futures with me, make sure you guys lock in your funded accounts. Use code Jdun for discipline over dopamine and the best possible discounts. I always got your back. Always got your back, baby. Always got your guys' back. And I'm gonna do absolutely everything I can to help y'all get paid. Funded, paid, then move those funds to your live account. That's the end goal. Not be trading on props forever. You don't want to be trading on props forever. They can be a nice scaling tool, but they're not the end all be all. Most definitely not. Oh gosh, guys, it's Wednesday. You guys know what Wednesday means? It means no mames at the gym. That's what it means. It means it's leg day. I think that I'm going to identify today as Tuesday. I think I identify today as Tuesday, actually, as a matter of fact. Let's see. What's up, Gene?
What's up?
New low day.
What is that?
24,408.
Oh, I got it at 34.
No sign of life for longs. Don't. We could very well keep this falling for FOMC. I think it's going to give us some good opportunity. Don't. Oh, Gene, you know what today is?
Wednesday?
It's leg day.
Yeah, I don't know when that's right. I'm not.
Bro, I got giraffe legs, bro. It's a long way to the ground, my guy. It's a long way to the ground. Long way to the ground. I know. Should start doing leg day on Monday, huh? Get out of the way. Yeah, that's me, literally. We're trying to beef up the tree trunks, though. Trying to beef them up, baby. Guys, let's keep rinsing these prop firms. I appreciate all y'all using code Jdun. I always do my best every single day on stream to help y'all win, keep you guys focused, keep you guys patient, and get you closer to getting your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on payouts. feel you at 6'4", bro. Not on this channel. Never see much. What do you mean? We grind every day, baby. Come on, every single day. I better see each and every one of you guys who wants a better future for yourself, who wants to be more consistent and disciplined in your trading. I better see each and every one of y'all in the 3-day masterclass. It's on October 6th. You have plenty of time to plan ahead for the evening time to block off the evening of the 6th, 7th, and 8th to join the 3-day free masterclass. All you have to do to register is click that link on the pinned YouTube comment. Or you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. If it's easier to message me, if you'd rather talk to me personally, you can DM me on Instagram, JDUN Trades. Don't. All right, y'all. All right, my friends, I'm going to get off for the morning. I'll be back on for FOMC. I'm going to go cook some lunch, go to the gym. Woo! And then I'll be back on for FOMC for the last 2 hours of the day. So trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in just a few hours for FOMC, okay? Don't do anything dumb in the meantime. Keep your focus on. All right, y'all. God bless, and I'll see you guys in a few hours. Thank you for being here in Team Bull. I'll see you guys then. Peace. Make sure you guys sign up for the 3-day masterclass. It's in the announcements tab. All right, y'all. Same goes to you guys. Make sure you guys sign up. I'll see you guys in a few hours. And if you guys want access to the 3-day free masterclass, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. I'll see you guys soon. God bless. Peace.